Welcome to Always Dolls. I hope you're having a great day. This video is a viewer-requested craft showing you how to transform a humble tissue box into a sleek and stylish mini fridge for your American Girl dolls. Inspired by AG's World by Us release, this mini fridge has ample storage space for our dolls' cooking supplies, fruit and vegetables, snacks and drinks. If you enjoy this video, we'd love it if you hit the like button and subscribed to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! When you next have an empty tissue box, save it. Our box measures 21 centimeters long, 11 centimeters wide and 9.5 centimeters deep. Mark a half centimeter border and remove the top paperboard. We now have the shell of the fridge. From 5mm white foam board, cut two side walls, back wall, top and bottom piece. Use liquid glue to adhere them inside the tissue box. Before affixing the base piece, cut and stack scraps of foam board that are the same dimension to raise this area and give weight to the bottom of the fridge. For the vent details, cut two strips of paperboard. On the first, trace around a skinny stick to make a row of thin ovals. Cut all your ovals out, then layer this panel over your second solid strip of paperboard. Glue the panel to the front of your foam board stack, then paint the vent section silver. Secure at the bottom of the tissue box, then add your white foam board piece on top. Next, cut two shelves and adhere them into the fridge. Position the middle shelf at least 5 centimeters from the vent and the other 5 centimeters below the top. On a second tissue box, mark 1 centimeter below the edge and cut off the base to give you a shallow tray. Cut a matching rectangle of thick foam board and glue it inside the tray. This will be our fridge door. To attach the door, cut a strip of paperboard with tabs on either side of the established crease. Slot one tab between the foam board and tissue box using liquid glue to secure in place. We will come back to the other tab later. From more recycled paperboard, cut side, top and bottom panels that match the dimensions of the tissue box and paint it the colour of your choice. AG's version was orange, but today we opted for red. Put glue all over the tissue box to adhere the panels. It helped to use low-tack tape to hold the panels in place while the glue dried. Repeat this step for the fridge door. Inside the door features a decorative panel. We made this from more paperboard and used a jumbo popsicle stick to trace the long oval shapes. For the clear shelves, we sourced a plastic container that is slightly smaller than the width of our fridge. Carefully cut away the short ends and trim down the container's lip. Position them on the decorative panel, ensuring they fit in the gaps between the fridge shelves, then hot glue in place. Next, put glue along the remaining tab to complete the hinge mechanism. We can now attach the door to the body of the fridge. Be sure to check the fridge door closes if the shelf stores a drink. For feet, we are using the discarded lids from the containers we used to make our local bean coffee cups. Paint them red, then hot glue a cap to each corner of the box. Next, clip a segment of barbecue skewer and insert one end into the foam board door, securing with glue. You will need a stick at the top and bottom. Mark corresponding holes for the skewers that align with the rim of the fridge so your door will shut and stay closed. For finishing touches, take fun foam and cut 3 thin strips and an AG star. Paint these bits silver. Next, we removed the handle from a toy teapot, painted it silver, then hot glued it to the front of the door along with our fun foam pieces. Our DIY mini fridge is both sleek and sturdy. It can hold all our dolls' cooking supplies as well as lots of AG and home-crafted food items. Thanks for watching and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!